इनकम सर्टिफिकेट करपाक टायप मारून घे, एफिडेविट तयार कर, 200 ते 250 रुपया पर पर्सन गेले. सो तुम्ही मामलतदारा कडल्यान, तलाठी कडल्यान, सगळो तो BDO कडल्यान जो पर्यंत तुमकां इनकम सर्टिफिकेट येता त्या ग्रुपाचो खर्च फॉर गेटिंग द इनकम सर्टिफिकेट अनदर 5, 6, 7,000. सो 10 आणि 7, 17,000 तातूनच गेले. मेळटा कितले 8,000. So it is not promoting the self-help group which has a membership of about 20 people in one group. So I would suggest or request the government to have a relook to support these self-help groups. Because of slum development or rehabilitation act, I believe the government has kept a budget of 13 crores. But if you are looking at Ambedkar Awas Yojana, which is a very good scheme, and also this particular rehabilitation scheme coming in, I think a sizable amount of budget should be planned so that we can take care. कित्याक पयर Honorable Revenue Minister commitment दिल्या की 2000 पयलींचे रेग्युलरायज करतलो म्हणून. ते करतलो जाल्यार keeping that thing in mind, we should go ahead. Speaker sir, industries, we are suffering in terms of industries today coming to Goa. कित्याक power, udak jenna we are not ready for, how can we invite these industries to Goa? What is the infrastructure that we have? If we need to change this trend, Speaker sir, we need to look at it in a more higher way. ते पळयतले जाल्यार आज आमची एक IDC एक बॉडी आसा which lot of question marks have been talked about, plots बाकीचे तरेच्यो. Let us, in the regional plan is being chalked out, the industrial policy is being chalked out. The people who are having lands in economic backward areas, जे फाटल्या हातून economy आमकां वाडोवंक मेळटा, त्या एरियेन let the people get an opportunity, landlords or anybody get an opportunity to create industrial parks. SEZ nahi, industrial parks. These industrial parks, let it be worked on a private basis. Let them have a competition with IDC. जेन्ना इंडस्ट्रीज सुरू जाल्ल्यो तेन्ना फायनान्सिंग मोड एकटोच आशिल्लो EDC आनी EDCन तेन्ना भरपूर करप्शन जालें म्हणून बोवाळ जालो. मागीर जेन्ना बँक आनी इन्स्टिट्यूशन जेन्ना फंडिंग करूंक लागले SSI युनिट्साक, EDCचो व्हॅल्यू कमी जायत गेलो. तशेंच आयच्या तारखेन IDC फाटल्यानूच रावन IDCचेच प्लॉट्स वाडयात म्हणच्या पेक्षा गिव सम प्रायवेट प्लेयर्स वेर देर आर इकॉनॉमिक बॅकवर्ड एरियाज टू सेट अप इन्व्हेस्टमेंट, इंडस्ट्रियल इन्व्हेस्टमेंट पार्क्स. तांकां येवन तांचे ओन सेटअप करूनी, तांकां विकूनी, तांकां डायरेक्ट मार्केटिंग करूनी. Let them create a competition with IDC, which in the further thing will definitely look at a industry-wise Goa will prosper. Employment-wise, people will get more opportunities. IDC and private player ang jogduni. Let us create some healthy competition there. Speaker sir, coming down to Bardez, which Porvorim is a part of Bardez. Bardez 10 वर्सां पयलीं पॉप्युलेशन कितें आशिल्लें, 5 वर्सां कितें आशिल्लें आनी आतां कितें आशिल्लें. आमचे मामलतदाराची ऑफिस आज कितलें इक्विप्ड आसा. आज आमच्या सारकेली एक 25,000ची कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी वा 23,000ची कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी धरली जाल्यार एक मामलतदार पुरो जायना. म्युटेशन केस म्हण बाकी तरेच्यो केसीस असतात. नॉर्मली विच इज टू बी रुटेड थ्रू द मामलतदार, ताजे कोर्ट्स असतात. आय सजेस्ट दॅट एवरी मामलतदार बी गिवन वन कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी टू लुक एट. कमिंग डावन टू पर्वरीम स्पीकर सर, जे म्हजे डिमांड्सान सगळे इश्यूज येतले. ट्रॅफिकाचे डिकंजेस्टिंग हांवें ऑलरेडी सांगिल्लें आसा. फायर सबस्टेशन आज पर्वरी येवपाची गरज आसा, जंय सेक्रेटरीएट आमचे ऑलरेडी आसा. उदकाची आनी इलेक्ट्रिसिटीची आज आमकां सामकी गरज आसा. जे उदक आमी 24/7 मिनिस्टरान म्हणलें, आमकां आज पर्यंत एडिक्वेट वॉटर सप्लाय मेळना. सिवरेज लायन येवपाची गरज आसा, सिन्स देर आर लॉट ऑफ बिल्डिंग्स कमिंग अप. गार्बेज, ग्राउंड्स, गार्डन्स आर द कॉल ऑफ द डे. आय विल बी टेकिंग दिस इन माय डिमांड्स. स्पीकर सर, हांवें जें आज सगळें उलयल्लो आसा, आय पुट माय थॉट्स टू द बेस्ट ऑफ माय एबिलिटी. I might have sounded as a critic, but I trust this will be looked upon as a constructive criticism essential for a healthy democracy. I may also have sounded little idealistic, but I want my state to be an ideal state. I have the courage to speak my mind and deliver what I have talked about. स्वप्ना साकार करून घेवपाची ताक हांव दवरता. म्हणून आज गव्हर्नमेंटा कडेन मागता की पर्वरी ज्या जाग्यार आमी सगळे बसल्या ती एक मॉडेल कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी करपाक तुमी आमकां मदत करतले ही तुमचे कडेन मागणी करता आनी म्हजी 2 उतरां सोंपयता. लेट अस मेक द इयर 2013 अ इयर ऑफ चेंज, अ इयर ऑफ परिवर्तन, एंड लेट अस मेक गोवा अ प्लेस फॉर ऑल ऑफ अस टू लिव इन. देव बरें करूं.
विजय सरदेसाय. Speaker sir, as I stand here to speak As an opposition legislator on the budget presented by the Honorable Chief Minister, I would like to first state that I hold the Chief Minister in high esteem. His leadership, administration, and his growth in politics without any political family background, no family Raj label, as well as his studious perseverance has endeared him to the masses and has got the BJP the magic figure of 21 that brought in this parivartan and gave him a chance to proudly present his budget that this august house now debates. Speaker sir, at the onset, the Chief Minister himself has admitted in the budget document that the mandate that he received has made him speechless, and he has attempted to repay the unexpected debt to the voter by trying to implement his manifesto, which I believe is a little bit in a hurry. Being an agriculture graduate, I will first speak on agriculture. I would like to welcome the budget allocation for the year 2012-13 as a positive step and commend the Chief Minister's optimistic view of having a hike in agricultural growth and trying to have a 6% growth. However, I must say that the provisions under this year's budget need a realistic approach, and I would like to cite a few issues as follows. First, after 50 years of liberation, the agriculture scenario has changed a lot, yet we don't have an agriculture policy. And the status for the industry for the agriculture sector is still pending. Although there has been considerable allocation done for various schemes, which are almost 60, major and minor, the technical manpower and infrastructure to implement these schemes is lacking, as the present technical staff is the same that was 30 years ago. Thus, the implementation could be hampered, as the schemes could only remain on paper. Till date, no agricultural survey has been done to access the on-field actual area, crop-wise, and its holdings. Hence, there is no exact data through which the schemes as per the area and beneficiary can be implemented. Time has come to have a broad spectrum approach towards this sector on industrial lines so that our land is kept intact and more people go back to agriculture. There is an utmost need to preserve and promote our local germplasm. Our local germplasm of rice, arsando, cashew, mango should get geographical indication, which is GI, which is similar to what Kaju Feni has got. There is also a need to develop Goan agricultural products as a brand, which can help in tourism. Most important is to bring the fallow uncultivated land under cultivation through contract farming or through self-help groups. All this can be achieved if we have proper planning with a realistic information and accountable implementation of schemes. There is a problem that there could be lack of awareness of so many schemes that have been announced. And because of the official to farmer approach rather than the farmer to official approach. This is what they used to teach us in agricultural extension. Now it is a fact that 80% of the agriculture budget goes in salaries and 20% in development. And whilst the Chief Minister tries to do justice to the Goan coconut by citing Bakibab Borkar, it is a fact that many coconut palms in Goa remain unharvested because of lack of availability of padeli, pluckers, and they being economically unviable. I can say this as a landowner, also as an agriculturist. So I believe the agriculture department should employ pluckers. Lack of awareness of agricultural schemes could also lead to the scenario of reappropriation, where funds meant for agriculture would last minute at the end of the financial year be diverted to more visible and more lucrative departments. As far as the Women, Child and Social Welfare Department are concerned, the Chief Minister in his budget speech makes reference to Family Raj, which was a big slogan in the just concluded elections. And he shows his intentions to stand by the families of the common man like a rock of Gibraltar. I do not understand the logic of tying the Ladli Lakshmi scheme with marriage. It is difficult to understand. The housewife allowance scheme, which allows rupees 1,000 per month for every housewife whose family income is less than 3 lakh rupees, makes does an injustice to the middle class housewives and to the wives of government servants. The group which has endorsed this Parivartan syndrome, which has benefited the BJP. This can also lead to manipulations or false affidavits, and hence the stated intention of the scheme may not be achieved. Therefore, I demand that the slab from 3 lakhs should be increased to 5 lakhs for family income. There is also no budgetary allocation for ensuring that the prices for domestic LPG will remain frozen for the next 1 year, even if the center raises the prices. As far as the minimum employment assurance scheme is concerned, the budgetary allocation of rupees 30 crores will only help 8,333 individuals at rupees 3,000 per month and 5,555 individuals at rupees 4,500 per month. The government has stated its intentions about housing to provide middle class, lower middle class, affordable housing. It is not clear how Goans only will stand to benefit from this housing policy and how such a big land will be available for such a ambitious scheme. Whether like before land will be acquired from farmers, whether farmers would be dispossessed for housing requirements is a question. ना ये हाउसिंगाचेर
पयली मिनिमम एश्युरन्स
पयली ताजे पयली हय मिनिमम एम्प्लॉयमेंट एश्युरन्स
कितें म्हणलें
30 कोटी रुपया म्हणल्या न्ही
हय
30 कोटी रुपया जर बजेटरी एलोकेशन पळयलें जाल्यार 8,333 फॅमिलीक 4,500 रुपयान पडटा ती आनी 3,000 रुपयान आनी 4,500 केलें जाल्यार 5,555 land acquisition. The government has promised to introduce a new land acquisition policy in this session of the assembly. As yet, we have not seen the light of the day. No mention of compensation to land losers has been done in the budget. म्हजे कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीन बीजेपीचो आदलो सरकार आशिल्लो तेन्ना 4 लाख स्क्वेअर मीटर जमीन एग्रीकल्चरल जमीन फार्मरा कडच्यान एक्वायर केली गव्हर्मेंट प्रोजेक्टा खातीर. आज थोडे ते गव्हर्मेंट प्रोजेक्ट वयर येतात. हे लोकांक 5 रुपयान जमीन एक्वायर केली आनी तांकां सारकें म्हणल्यार भिकणां दिवन फटयले. हांव मागतां की गव्हर्मेंटान एक पॉलिसी करची जातून लँड लुजरांक प्रिफरन्स दिवचें जॉबान ऑन प्रोजेक्ट्स विच आर कमिंग अप ऑन देयर प्रॉपर्टी एंड दीस शूड बी इम्प्लिमेंटेड विथ रिट्रोस्पेक्टीव इफेक्ट. नाजाल्यार हाजे फुडें म्हणून जातलें आनी ते एक्वायर जाली ती गेली आनी फुडें आनी जमीन उरना. सिव्हील सप्लायजान बजेटान म्हणटा की पाल्मोलिन ऑयल इज बॅड फॉर द हार्ट. Now, whether this has been replaced by better healthy oil, nothing is said about it. Tourismacher budget statement म्हणटा की middle ages and people were tourists because of their religion, whereas now they are tourists because tourism is their religion. आता tourism is their religion म्हणपी budget religious fanatics येवन tourism काबार करपाक सोदता ताचेर कांयच उलयना. आज जे भशेन Chief Minister and सारकें silence ताजेर दवरला. Chief Minister is consistently saying it is below his dignity to reply to Pramod Mutalik. I am new in the practices of legislature. I also believe that tomorrow if Chief Minister says की आमी गोंयकार सगळे एक जावन मुतले जाल्यार मुतालिक भावून वतलो म्हणून जाल्यार अनपार्लियामेंटरी जाल्यार नकळो हांव अशें म्हणप जाल्यार पूण जाल्यार I will agree that what you are saying is right. पुणून ताजेर सायलन्स दवरप हें मनोहर पर्रीकाराक सोबता पूण चीफ मिनिस्टर म्हणून ताणें रिप्लाय दिवपाक जाय. काय तो एडवायजरीक रावलो
होम डिपार्टमेंटाचेर
सरकार एडवायजर काडटले आनी मागीर सिरियस म्हणटलो काय
हो मॅटर जाय जाल्यार ताणें होम डिपार्टमेंटाक रेज करचो.
ना काडटा
हांव ताका सारकें उत्तर कितें दिवपाचें दिता.
माय पॉयंट इज ऑन टुरिझम एज अ रिलीजन. तुज्या बजेटान
सध्या हांव ऑब्जर्व करता कोण ताज्या बरोबर आसा गोंयचे ते.
ते बरें
तांकां पयलीं लक्षांत घेवंक जाय.
गोंयचे आसना ते
पयलीं बेश्टावन धांवडायले जाल्यार लिपून रावतले आनी फाल्यां गव्हर्मेंटाची बदनामी करतले. सो आय वॉन्ट टू सी हू आर विथ हिम फ्रॉम गोवा.
No, they may not be from Goa.
I want to see.
They'll come and go. They'll be like the robbers who come and rob your houses.
Of them. Don't worry about it.
आज आतां चोरयो इतल्यो जाता भायले चोर तुमी धरीत आहात ते भशेन चोर येतले फोडटले आनी वतले. तुजी मागीर एक एडवायजरी येतली मागीर तूं म्हणटलो की इट्स अ सिरियस मॅटर म्हणून. ब्रिटीश हाय कमिशनाचे एडवायजरी तुवें सिरियस म्हणल्या.
स्पीकर सर काही जाणांक प्रचंड खाजा ते प्रमोद मुतालिकाक फोन मारून इन्व्हिटेशन दिता.
कोण ते
आसा
हांव ना
विशय नासलो हांव तुका म्हणना
हांव ना तातूंत
तूं ना खबर
म्हजे एक क्लियर आहा की
म्हाका कोण आहा ते